Jackie's patties are huge.
Huge portion sizes.
It's actually soaked in Newcastle brown ale.
If you're going to have a burger, you might as well have it big.
Yeah. Hello and welcome back to the final episode of our Railway 200 Chefs Challenge, where we've given two GNER chefs the task of recreating a dish from the archives of the National Railway Museum. I'm Evelyn, here with Jackie and Gavin in the Cookery School at the Grand in York. So we have something pretty iconic today, GNER's cheeseburger from 1999. And if you're curious, the packaging from the last burger sold is in the NRM collection. So round three, you ready? Yeah, two chefs, 2 centuries, and 2 dishes. Let's get cooking. Good luck.
Good luck, Jackie. Good luck. Good luck. The last one.
So what we've got going here, Jackie, this is a massive patty.
That's quite big. Impressive.
It's huge.
That is massive. It'll shrink, but we've got to have
Okay.
if you're going to have a burger, you might as well have it big, right?
Yeah. So you well primed in making burgers?
Yeah, we've made loads.
Yeah,
of
loads
them.
and loads and loads. So are you gonna season it or are you gonna?
I'm going to season it. I'm going to actually just pan fry it and then put all the onions and all the bits
Right.
and bobs on afterwards. So
Nice. And what type
Simple.
of cheese do we have on
using
here?
brie today, it's a really creamy brie, so I'm
Yeah.
hoping that it's going to melt. So when I put all the toppings on, it's just going to ooze down the side.
Mouth watering.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, and then we'll have to be.
All right, Gavin, what do we have here? I see you've actually, this is the first time you haven't got something in the pan yet.
Well, I'm a bit. No, I'm not. I'm just. What I'm doing is I'm getting all my prep ready for the burgers.
You always have something in the pan
I'm,
and then you do all those other stuff while
it's
something's
going
in
to
the
be.
pan.
I'm recreating the northeast burger.
Right, okay, tell me
Okay.
more. What's a northeast burger?
It's going to be in a stotty bun. It's going to be a beef patty, with a darling blue rarebit on the top.
Nice.
Okay, with barbecue coleslaw on the side.
So are you sticking to the original GNER recipe, or have you
No,
added a lot
what it is, I had gherkins, tomato and cucumber, which I've put in with the peas pudding,
Right,
which is going to be on the bottom of the bun.
yeah.
I'm going to have the coleslaw on the side. I'm going to do smaller patties to what Jackie's got.
Yeah, Jackie's patties
And
are
then-
huge.
And then I'm going to put the rarebit on top to glaze, and then we'll be ready.
Yeah. I'm gonna give a good stare at these beef patties.
Do you think they'll stay like that when they're finished?
No,
Do you
I think
shrink?
they'll shrink a lot, yeah. Sorry, I'm in your space.
No, you're not. You're fine. Do you like brie?
I do. I don't love cheese, but brie's a nice one. What cheese are you using there, Gavin?
It's actually a northeast cheese. It's Admiral.
Admiral.
It's from Doddington Dairy in Wooler.
Nice.
So it's actually soaked in Newcastle brown ale.
Ooh. You're really sticking to the northeast of
Northeast,
LNER.
Yeah, there you go.
Realise you don't actually have anything on the pan yet.
All right, last
You're not
minute.
worried about time?
You got tomato ketchup there, Jax?
How are you feeling with the pressure, Jackie? You're very, very calm.
Stressed. Not.
Yeah, you're very calm.
Is she now?
Yeah, she is. Right, Gavin, I've noticed your patties are still not made.
It's fine.
Right, are you not worried about time?
Not at all.
So what have you got done already?
I've got everything else done.
Right, so it's just the patties. So you think you're going to make time?
Yeah, definitely.
Give your meat a good old rub.
Definitely. Hopefully.
We shall see, we shall see. We don't want undercooked burgers.
No, I won't be undercooked. Do these on the train, Jackie, no bother.
We should do burgers, shouldn't we?
minutes left.
Okay.
Jackie, we've got 2 minutes left.
I'm still calm.
Yeah, you are very calm. We've got 10 seconds left, guys. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're at time, everyone.
The once humble hamburger is the centre of it all.
So we have David and Hannah back here with us to taste the GNER cheeseburgers from 1999. Dig in, guys.
Will do.
Where do we start?
I don't know. Grab that sword and put into them. A great presentation.
Oh, gosh.
They look amazing, don't they? Dig into this one.
There we go. I'm not trying to put that in.
Go for it.
Oh wow, that's even bigger.
Burger.
Fantastic sized burgers.
Is this quite related to the time? Were they as big portions like this?
Yeah, definitely.
You tell us anything.
Oh, it sounds really nice. This one's nice. Scooping round. Well, they're both tasty, those. Do like a both.
Let us know what you think. Start with you, David.
Yeah, well, they both look amazing, don't they? Sort of want to dig into both. Huge portion sizes, but probably angling to that one.
Yeah, I'd sit on the other one. Yeah, I just think that's
Middle.
seasoned better.
Okay, so
Right, let's go again.
yeah. It's down to you, Hannah.
What is it?
I don't agree, but I'll go with that one. I would have gone with the
Okay.
other one, but
Are we allowed to do that?
Yeah, we make the rules.
Okay. Okay.
I'll go with
Yeah,
it.
okay.
Yeah,
Both amazing.
So,
Yeah.
who made... This is the winner?
this one. Yeah.
Who made that one? Yeah.
They're both fantastic.
So Jackie,
They were great.
you have won this round. So we're actually at 2 to Gavin and 1 to Jackie. So the winner of our Railway 200 Chefs Challenge is Gavin!
Well done.
Well done, Gavin.
Lovely.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for judging.
No problem.
And we'll see you watching our other videos. Thanks again. Bye.